going on, guys? It's your boy Booney from Backwoods Customs, and we are working on a cop car today. It is a 2014 Impala Limited, which means it's the same as an 06 to 12 civilian Impala, and then 13 and 14 were just for fleet vehicles, police departments, whatever. So today we got some crusty taillights on her, and they got moisture in them, probably from leaking around where they put the strobe in. So we're gonna go ahead and get them replaced with the finest Chinesium I could find on eBay. So first thing we got to do is get this big guy out of the way. Now here you can see there's a little thing there. That side is missing, but sometimes you can spin them out. If not, they just pop right out, and then this panel just pop right out into your trunk, and just leave that set there so you can put it back together. Next step is there is a little, like, to hold the cargo net deal, and you just back those right out. You won't need any tools for this really, except to get that guy off. It's a pretty nice setup they got going on here. So just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. That's what she looks like. And then you just want to pull your carpet away a little bit, and there will be two more of those. One here and one, where's the other one? Oh, I thought there was two. Maybe that, well, we'll find out here. But you can see they siliconed that in there, so I'm sure that didn't seal very well to the taillight itself. Okay, well, that looks like the only one. Seems a little bit shifty. Again, it's a cop car, so who knows? Ah, there it is. It's all the way up in the top here. Sorry, I used to work at a junkyard, so I know some of these a little bit, but can't remember them all. So there is two that hold that on. I thought there was. There we go. Now, bam. Okay, so here's what you got. You got her out. You can see there's three of them. This one comes off when you take the carpet unit off, and then here's a little tab. You want to make sure you line it up when you put it back together. So let me get my new taillight out and we'll address everything we need to. All right, guys, so this is 100% cop car. We don't need that anymore. And then we're just gonna get it off of our harness that we need to reuse that's actually from the car. Again, if you guys don't have a cop car, none of this will apply to you. And you can see there where it ran right into the side of the taillight, which is probably where the leak came from. Also, the new one is nice and fancy with foam isolators just to keep the noise down and stuff. We're gonna peel this back a little bit. Don't worry, we'll give you a nice reveal, but I want to make sure that I don't pinch it in the car either. All right, so basically all you got to do is lift up on this tab and bam. This is eBay material, and then you just take it and, sorry, the China boys were working hard on this unit. And we just snap that into place, and then again you want to make sure your pin over here is lined up. Line up your three holes for your screws. I don't like the way that doesn't fit very well, so I'm gonna take that one off. Try to find the holes. Now you just went on here. There you go. All right. Then you just want to screw your little, what are they called? Finger nuts? I don't know. And I'm not cranking on them. There it is. I'm not cranking on them yet because I kind of want to suck them in together. You don't want your taillight getting cockeyed in there, and then next thing you know, brand new taillight's cracked. So just work them in. All right, just leave that on there for now, and let's hop over to the other side, see what kind of nonsense we can get into. Look at that, so easy your wife can do it, so don't make excuses. Otherwise your wife's gonna watch this video and go out there and show you how to do it. I guess I'm allowed to take back over. Again with the clip, just pull up, or pull out, and then pull up. The China boys did better on this one. At least they used sealer that matches.
Yeah.
And we're gonna take this guy off again. And again, just as simple as and you can see as I turn it, it starts to pull it into the body. If you look up at the body line, that's why I like to do them a little bit at a time to make sure they go in even. Now I'm tightening the bottom one, and top one's coming off a little. There we go. And then you just want to put your third one on and get your carpeting back in place. All right, we got those tight. Then you just want to go ahead and slip your piece back in. This actually goes under the carpeting, but everything's a little messed up because of the way they had this car ripped apart. So we'll just give you the gist of her. So you get everything lined back up, and then you just pop your pin back on. Bam. Again, it'll be much easier. Just make sure everything's lined up. But like, this is plywood in here, and it should be over top of this. I really should have had that out of there when I did it, but there you go. And let's see what they look like. Don't mind the car, it's been sitting under a tree for a while. It's all about the taillights. Oh, and that's what I didn't want to happen. Apparently I wasn't paying attention. But that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, let me know if it helped you, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. That's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.